So today we are going to be making a clean, low sugar, easy green juice, okay? This green juice recipe is going to help you to debloat and clear out digestion, hydrate, and glow from within, you guys. So for this juice, we're going to start with the cucumber and the celery. Both are packed with structured water and natural electrolytes, so they're going to help to reduce puffiness, support your hydration, and give you steady, natural energy without caffeine. Next, for our greens, we have some romaine, which is light but powerful, and it's one of my favorite greens to juice because it is so gentle. It's rich in minerals, potassium, and chlorophyll, all of which help to calm inflammation, support your digestion, and give your body a really clean, alkaline start to the day. We have mint and parsley, which work together to support your gut and your lymphatic system. They help to reduce gas, bloating, and that heavy feeling that you get after meals, and they also promote drainage and detoxification. And we have just a little bit of pineapple in this recipe, which adds a touch of sweetness along with some bromelain, which is a powerful enzyme that reduces inflammation and supports smoother digestion. And the lime in this juice, of course, gives it a nice brightness, and it provides vitamin C for skin clarity and immune support. And then we're going to finish it off with a small pinch of cayenne to boost circulation and help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. So we got everything nice, cut up, and prepped for the juicing process. We're using the Nama J2 juicer today. This juicer is a time saver. It is a money saver as well because your pulp comes out nice and dry compared to a lot of other juicers which leave your pulp dripping wet, which means that you're wasting juice, you're wasting your money, okay? This is a hands-free hopper, so you can load this stuff up and you can go and do other things if you want to, clean as you go. That's what you should be doing, okay? This juicer has a 15-year warranty. So the price may scare some of you off a little bit. Keep in mind that they do have payment plan options available as well if you would like to go that route. This is one of the best juicers on the market, so yes, it is an investment, but your health should be your #1 priority. And when you can make beautiful, fresh green juice at home, cold pressed so the nutrients are maximized, why not? Instead of going to the store and spending $8, $9, maybe even more on a green juice. Make it at home, okay? It's time that we start taking back our power, all right? Pretty soon I'm gonna have a garden. One of these days, y'all. Make your juicing worth it. Make it a habit that you are going to stick with. You can use my discount code KYRA10. So check that link down in the description, okay? So we're going to be making 32 ounces of juice today, you guys. First thing in the morning, you should drink 16 ounces on an empty stomach. That is an amazing way to really absorb those nutrients. Then the other 16 ounces, you can save it for nighttime, lunchtime, snack, whatever, or you can store it in an airtight glass container, which is best, so that you can preserve your nutrients for up to 72 hours. Okay, because it's cold pressed. To make roughly 32 ounces of this green juice, we have 2 English cucumbers or 2 really big cucumbers, 10 ribs of celery, 5 leaves of romaine lettuce, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 lime, a pretty decent handful of parsley, and also a pretty large handful of mint. Now, I know the large and small handfuls is a little difficult because we all got different size hands. Just use your hand and you do it, okay? Whatever you get, just use your hand. So for the pineapple, I did measure that for you guys because I know a cup of pineapple is kind of hard to gauge, especially depending on how you cut the pieces. The cup of pineapple is roughly equivalent to around 170 grams. I highly recommend getting a food scale. This is super important. If you want your recipes and things to be exact, get you a food scale, okay? Grams is my best friend. Grams and ounces, I love them. That's all for this recipe. Oh, no, I almost forgot another. Bam, bam. Okay, cayenne pepper. This is the other ingredient in this juice today. We're going to be adding in a little dash of cayenne because this also great benefits. All right, so with this juicer, since you don't have to put stuff in one by one and like smash it down, you want to put your leafy greens down at the bottom. That way your heavier things can help push it through so things can flow easier, okay? So we're going to start with our mint. This stem is pretty thick. Let's just take this big ass stem off. I know it doesn't look like a lot now, but this cucumber is really going to boost it up, all right? Your celery and your cucumber are the base of this juice. today. I got this from Ross. Beautiful. Ooh, I love me some Ross so bad. Cucumber juice coming through. And this strainer, you guys, this is my second juicer, Renama. So this strainer attachment does not fit because the previous pour thing was smaller. So I got it in here kind of like rigged a little bit. But they do have a strainer attachment if you want to check that out. And you can use my discount code for anything on the site. So yeah. If you want your juice extra smooth, I typically don't care about the foam, but I know with green juices, sometimes they do produce a bit more foam. So I said just for the video, we'll make it nice, easy, clean green. All right. Now, the pulp. If you think juicing is wasteful, that is your fault, okay? There's so much that you can do with this juice pulp. I make juice pulp powder with mine, which means that I just use my dehydrator. You could also use your oven on the lowest setting, and you can put that powder in smoothies, whatever you want to put it in. I just usually throw mine in a smoothie whenever I'm doing good and working out, okay? If you had like a fruit pulp, you can make some baked goods with it. If you had like a vegetable pulp, you can make some vegetable stocks and vegetable broth or something. But there are ways to repurpose this pulp. You could compost it if you want. You don't have to just toss it in the trash. So if that's what you decide to do with this, because this is all the fiber, this is all the insoluble fiber in here, juicing does still retain some soluble fiber, which is what helps to cleanse your gut out. But this is all that good insoluble fiber. Do something with this. Some people actually just like put some pulp in their juice and drink it. So that's up to you guys, but the possibilities, I don't know if they're endless, but they're there, all right? We got about 35 to 37 ounces. So a little bit more than we were expecting, but that is okay. Ain't nothing wrong with a little extra green. All right, so with our cayenne, we're just gonna add a little dash. 2 dashes. Y'all know the drill. We're gonna give it a good mix. There we have it. Look at this beauty. A little fuller than I thought. Ooh. This cayenne, I'm about to squeeze. Oh my gosh, I am shot out. Let's just pour a little bit back in here. There we have it, and this is not airtight. This is for aesthetics, okay? So we'll be sure to swap this out. Let's get us a little cup, a little glass. Let's do this cutie pie. I think this is so cute. Let's do this one. Do. Look at our green juice, you guys. Let's do a little taste together. Cheers, a little green juice, cheers. Come on, twins. Hey, if you guys do try this juice recipe, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it, or let me know what kind of green juice you guys prefer. A little bit more sweet, a little bit more green, mean green. And this is beginner friendly. So if you do try it out, let me know down in the comments, or if you try it out on Instagram, hashtag #thatcoldvegan, so I can see what you guys came up with. I see that cayenne stuff down there. Let's get it up. That's a good balanced green juice right there. It's a nice faint touch of the pineapple, but you can't even really taste the pineapple. So this is not like a sweet green. This is just a nice green. This is a clean, low sugar, refreshing green juice recipe that you can drink every day to reduce bloating, increase your hydration, get your skin glowing, improve your digestion. This is great. Make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe before you go for more easy, beginner-friendly juice recipes, you guys. I'll see y'all for the next video.